granules of wheat. The steps highlight the carefully relevant handling of the harvest, symbolizing gratitude for the abundance that has been produced. The wheat threshing steps is a lively movement inspired by the traditional method of separating the wheat grains from the chaff. These steps capture the spirit of hard work and celebration, marking the bountiful harvest and the connection between the land and those who work there. The winnowing step is a dynamic movement where dancers represent the step of separating the grain from the chaff using a traditional method with swirling, tossing wheat into the air and allowing the wind to blow away the lighter chaff, symbolizing purification and the refinement of the harvest. Carrying home the crops. Finally, the carrying home the crops steps celebrate the successful completion of the harvest. Dancers lift and carry basket of wheat in a proud, triumphant manner. This movement represents the return to the village with the bounty of the field, marking the beginning of celebration and gratitude for the year's labor. When compared with the symbol in the Bible, it represents God's provision, abundance, spiritual growth, and unity. Today, we the Rongmei Christian Fellowship, Hyderabad, by this act, recognize God's provision, abundance for the spiritual growth, as we recognize that we are bound in unity by His love. We honor the God of harvest by this dance. Thank you.